I want your body to look like What's up, beautiful besties? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you happen to be returning, you are truly appreciated. Thank you so much. And welcome back, besties. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite body shimmers. I still hold true to this one that I picked up years ago, and it's still my absolute favorite. If you want to hear what they are, please continue to watch on this channel. I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, lifestyle, all things fancy and fabulous, darling. So if that sounds like something you'd be into, you want to be a part of, take 2.5 seconds and consider hitting the subscribe button. Don't stop there. Turn on your post notification bell. That way you never miss a video over here. And of course, if you really want to become a bestie and you want to see a play-by-play, even when I'm not here on YouTube, come over and slide in the DM and say hi on Instagram. Without further ado, we're jumping into this video right now. Let's start with this one here. This is Chanel number 5. They came out with this, I think it was a limited edition. It's a sparkling body gel. There are different ones. You have your body oils, your body gels, you have your SPF that has it in it, you have dry sparkling shimmer as well. There's just a ton of them that you can choose from. This one here is a sparkling gel. This is Chanel number 5. It is so uber pretty. I don't love, if I were to be honest, the smell of it the best, but it is really nice. It gives you a really nice spec. And what I love about this one is that it's not overdone. It's not too sparkly. I don't like to look like a disco glitter bomb. For me, there's a tasteful way of doing it where it still looks like really luxe, kind of classy. It's just not doing too much, you know, because that's not very demure. That's not very mindful. You guys, I still can't stop saying that. So I'm going to take a little bit of this out. I doubt very seriously if you're going to be able to really see it. But if I put it on like this here, this is what it looks like. It is a dry body gel is what I would say. It smells just like Chanel number 5. That's why I don't reach for it as often. But if you know, I am a Chanel girl through and through. And Maison Francis Kurkdjian. This is really nice. I don't particularly love the way that it separates, but I'm finding out that they basically all do this. But once you shake it up, I do reach for this a lot. It gives you a really nice, beautiful bottle. This is another one that I had to have in my collection. It is gorgeous. You can see the dent in there. I'm definitely using it. It'll probably last me a lifetime. This is a sparkling body oil. It comes out. It has a nice spout. I love it because it doesn't come out too fast, but it does come out. And this is the consistency of it. So if you can see that there, it's not too liquidy. It gives you a nice body glow. Still, I wouldn't say it's very greasy. It still feels kind of dry to me. It doesn't specify that it's a dry body oil, but it does just say it is a sparkling body oil. It's really nice. Now, if you see this, you can see that this left me a little bit more hydrated looking, a little bit more shiny than our original one with Chanel number 5. All of these are not really given big specs at all. I mean, I'm here in person and I have to really look to see any of them at all. And sometimes I want just a little bit more than that. I will say that this one here is very fragrant. Like I said, it does smell like Chanel number 5. This one is fragrant as well. And this is just giving you Baccarat Rouge 540. It's not overly scented, it's not hugely scented, but it is there. So if you are a type of person that really didn't want fragrances to really be in your face and you didn't want them to do too much, definitely consider going with a body oil, a dry body oil, a body gel. Those are ways to have the fragrance on you but not be too intrusive. I move on. This is a new one that was recently just added to my collection by Dior, and this is called Dior Solar. This is what this looks like here, and if you could see, it's separated as well. This is a body oil that can be worn on your face, your hair, and your body. So it has multiple places that you can wear it. It's a shimmer body oil. And this one here, like I said, you have to do the same thing, shake it up, because they all seem like they separate to me. I've been playing with this one. It's lightly scented. This one to me smells like cosmetics, like luxury cosmetics. This is more like a rose gold. So you can see they all pretty much have that same type of consistency. This is more like a rose gold. I rubbed it in. I wore this. I played with it all last week. It's really good. Again, it doesn't leave you greasy. It doesn't leave you like too shiny. It gives you a nice glow, a nice finish. This one is a little bit more oilier than the last two, one being a gel, one being a body oil. This one recently came out. This was a limited edition as well. This is from SKINPOTIONS Potion, and this is Alma Divina. We all know, in case you're new here, I love Alma Divina, and if you do not have any Skin Potion in your life, stop what you're doing, use the code Cheraye10, head over to the website and pick up some Skin Potion. Do yourself and your body a favor. I've been using it forever, you guys, and I absolutely love it. I swear by it. 10 out of 10. I'm recommending it to the friends, okay? So this one here is a Champagne and Lily of the Valley. That's the base. That's what the smell is really giving. It's a revitalizing body oil. Now this one here is going to give you the specs, the shine. It's going to get the job done. This is what it looks like here. And this is here. You guys, do you see the gold, the specks of shimmer in there? I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I could be making this up, but I think I'm telling the truth. There's 3 different sizes of specks in there. And Ray, help me out. Like, did I make that up? Tell me in the comment section. Help the people out, because, you know. This is the consistency. Now, this is giving me a little bit more body care. Gosh, it smells good. This is much more fragrant. This is giving you visible specks that you're able to see. This is giving me more hydration. It's, oh my God, it's good. You guys, you need this one. Pick this one up. This is really good. So, oh my gosh, it's good. I love this one. I love the consistency of it. It might be a dry body oil, but it just gives me more of a moisturizing body care. I feel like something went onto my skin, penetrated through my skin, and it is not just sitting on top of it. I feel like it's going through my skin barriers, and it feels really good to the touch. It's very soft, it's very supple, and like I said, you probably can't see it because of the lights and everything going on in here, but the specks in here are really pronounced, and they're not overdid. They're done in a very nice, tasteful way. So I will definitely highly recommend Skin Potion. I will have that linked in the description box for you below. Like I said, it's a limited edition. I don't know how long it's gonna be when it's out. I believe it's out. Another one I picked up from Dior. This is a body gel. This consistency is totally different. This is J'adore. If you guys see, this is what this looks like. I use my body gels. I love to glimmer. I love to shine. So I use these all the time. Dang, I just got bars even when I'm not trying. This smells like J'adore. It smells like the body cream, if you've ever had that. It smells like the fragrance. It is scented. It's not overly scented. For me, I would still need the fragrance. Like, this wouldn't be sufficient enough for me. This might be something that I would sleep in, or if I wanted to just, you know, not do too much, just wanted to have a little something on, I would go with something like this. But if I was going out or just putting it with a fragrance, I would definitely have to put something on top of this. This consistency is a little bit different. I mean, I took a lot out of there. So this is what this consistency is looking like. And it has gold specks and gold flakes in there as well. They're very small. Like I said, this is a gel consistency, so it's like water. It's like rubbing water in. It doesn't leave you greasy or anything like that at all. It's really, really nice. It kind of feels like putting on hand sanitizer. You know what I mean? How you put it out, it's the gel consistency. It's kind of cold a little bit, and then you rub it in your hands. It feels better than that, you guys, but I'm trying to paint the picture here. So that's kind of what it feels like. This is the consistency of it. It's really nice. Another one, if you're a silver girl, I'm typically a gold flake kind of girl. Like, I really love the body shimmers that have gold in them, although sometimes I do have the rare occasions where I'm wearing something and it calls for silver. So during the Nordstrom's anniversary sale, they had both of these on sale. I can't remember the price, but I shared it with you guys. Make sure your post notification bells are turned on, because whenever I find good deals, I don't gatekeep. I'm always running to share it with the besties. So I picked up both of these. The gold one is my favorite. I have been loving this since it ever even existed. It came out. You can see what the shimmers look like here, and you can see which one has a dent and which one does not, because that's how much I'm reaching for it. This is a spray. This one here is like an oil to me. This is a shimmer body oil. So this is a body oil, the Tom Ford Shimmer Soleil Blanc body oil. And this is what this one is looking like. Oh my God, it's, oh God, it smells so good. It's just the memories. Really, still, you can't see the specks. You really can't see them. I mean, they're there, but they're very fine, you guys. All of these you can't go wrong with, especially if you don't want the disco glitter ball. If you want the disco glitter ball, these are not going to be for you. These are very subtle, very minute, very tastefully done, in my opinion. This is what it's looking like. Still, you really can't see that there. I mean, you just have to take my word for it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now, if I were to rank these. I'm gonna try and rank them, which I started to do, I lost it. But I'm gonna rank these and put these in order from what I would recommend least to what would be my number one recommendation. Okay, so this will be coming in the number 7 spot. From the least to the favorite, I love all of them. To me, you can't go wrong with any of them. But least to favorite, I would say this one here by Maison Francis Kurkdjian. No rhyme, no reason. It's a beautiful one. It's scented. It's all the things. It would just be coming in that spot, least to favorite. After that would be Solar. Beautiful as well. More of a rose gold body shimmer. It's more of a dry, illuminating body oil that could be worn on the face, the hair, and as well as the skin. So yes, this will be coming in from least to favorite. J'adore. I really do like this one, you guys. This one, in my opinion, is really good. I love it because you can just rub it all over you. It is really nicely scented and it matches so well with the body cream as well as the fragrance. And then I have kind of like a tie. Of course, this one is gonna come in. I'm not even really rating this one because I don't really reach for it, so it's not gonna be in the rating. And then these two would be at a tie. I know. These two would be at a tie. And I say that because this is absolutely beautiful. If you've been on the channel, I started my first, don't go back and watch this video either, because I used to talk like this, like, oh my God, I don't know why. I don't know why. I think it was here living in LA. I was down in the valley a lot. I don't know what happened, but that's how I used to talk. So if you go back and watch that video, don't make fun of me. But I started my channel with this fragrance, the whole entire set, I believe. And I just absolutely love it. This symbolizes August, my birthday, when it first came out, me moving back to California. It has so many memories. So I'm a loyal girl. I told you guys, when I ride for you, I ride hard for you. In, out, all seasons. I'm just that girl. I'm a rider. And then this here is just beautiful. And this symbolizes something else. When Alma Divina came out, it just made me so happy, and I love Valaya, and it has great reminiscence to Valaya, so the scent memory just takes me there, but the sparkle and the shine is just absolutely gorgeous. I can't deny it. So these two would have to come in at a tie. You cannot go wrong with any of them. Everything will be linked in the description box for you below. Okay, I have to go. I'm getting out. I love you like I love cook food. Leave any video requests down in the comment section below, more videos that you would want to see, and I will make that happen. Also, don't forget to drop me your scent of the day. Have you guys been leaving me your scent of the day? Don't forget to drop me your scent of the day. You know I like to know what you're rocking. And I will talk to you beautiful souls in the next one. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous, darlings. Thanks for watching. Bye.